How to clean galvanized steel guttering. 1. Let the professional do the hard work. Many local companies offer gutter maintenance and cleaning services, so you don't have to climb the dizzying heights of the roofline yourself. In addition, the professionals already have all the best equipment. They can spot any areas requiring repairs immediately, and being well practiced, they're usually much faster and safer. But if you insist on doing it yourself, this is what we'd recommend. 2. To prevent damage to the guttering, do not ever lean a ladder against the guttering itself. 3. Instead, use a ladder standoff, so you're not stuck underneath the guttering either. Always have somebody foot the ladder below you. 4. Using gloved hands or a gutter scoop, remove any leaves and debris from the gutters and drop them in a bag or bucket that you can easily carry down the ladder and get rid of appropriately afterwards. Do not flush debris down outlets. For a downpipe that's been blocked by debris flushed down through the outlet from the gutter, buy a drainage rod, available from most hardware shops. Then push through from above and out of the gutter shoe at the bottom. 5. Manually brush away any loose particles, general dust, dirt, etc. Apply cold or warm, under 50 degrees Celsius, water with a little eco-friendly solvent-free detergent or degreasant added, in other words, warm soapy water, to the exterior surfaces to maintain their aesthetics. 7. If possible, leave the detergent solution on the surface for approximately 15 minutes. 8. If pressure washing, the head of the water lance should be kept at least 500 mm away from the surface at all times, and the pressure should be restricted to less than 1500 psi. 9. Gently brush or wipe the external surfaces after the detergent has been applied to remove any areas of dirt. Do not use abrasive pads or brushes. The galvanized steel dulls as the surface molecules of zinc applied in the galvanizing process are oxidized and are sacrificed to protect the core. You don't want to inhibit this process to try and keep the surface shiny. In the case of the color-coated galvanized steel, you do not want to scratch the color coating. 10. Rinse the internal and external surfaces with clean cold water.